We have another property for sale. This is 1,135 square meters uphill and along the road near malapit lang sa Tagbilaran City. This is located in Corillia, Bohol. So this is located in Corillia, Bohol, but is nearest to Tagbilaran City. So maganda diyan guys, no? Maganda. Pero ano lang yung lupa guys, yung pataas, uphill. Oh. So pero mura lang, 500,000 pesos. Imagine you have 1,135 square meters. And this is the road right of way guys, no? So katulad din diyan ng isa ay ano din yan, it's hill. It's a hill, then inano nila yon. Ay kabila yung sa adjacent, it's also a hill, then di-develop. So yun nangyari guys. Ito po yun ang boundary hanggang doon. Mataas po ang frontage ng road. So it's a wide frontage and uphill. So it depends upon our idea, no? When we develop the property. So as for me, this is really a very good investment. You can just invest or buy this property, then you can develop or sell later. So it's really a good investment guys. Actually, this is second lot, and the first lot is becoming a commercial establishment. So meaning the adjacent, no, nakita man natin yung adjacent, yon gawin yan na commercial establishment. Pero yung road right still remain, walang problema. Itong front guys, gawin nilang commercial establishment, meaning there is a building. So kadalasan dito guys, the prices along here is ranging already from 1,500 to 2,000 pesos per square meter, which is along the national highway, or this is a provincial road or tourism road. Thank you.